This video will cover the basics of the Draeger XM2800 device. To power the device on, hold the green OK button until you see the countdown reach 1 and an audible alarm occurs. As the device warms up, the first screen you will see is the device stating how many days till calibration is due. The next few pages is going to cover sensor-specific data. For your LEL sensor or combustible gas sensor, you have two alarms. You have a low alarm of 10% and a high alarm of 20%. Next, you have your O2 sensor or oxygen sensor. This sensor has a two-alarm system, meaning you have a high alarm with alarm 1 set at 23.5 and alarm 2 set at 24. Then you have a low alarm with alarm 1 set at 19.5 and alarm 2 set at 19. Next, you have your CO sensor or carbon monoxide sensor with a two-alarm system. Alarm 1 is set at 30 parts per million. Alarm 2 is set at 60 parts per million. You can also see your time-weighted average, which is set to 35 parts per million, as well as your STEL, or short-term exposure limit, set at 50 parts per million. And finally, your H2S sensor, or hydrogen sulfide sensor. This is also a two-alarm system, with alarm 1 being at 10 parts per million and alarm 2 set at 15 parts per million. You can also display your time-weighted average, or TWA, of 10 parts per million, or your STEL, short-term exposure limit, set at 15 parts per million. From there, you will go to your device warm-up page, signified by the flashing yellow light and the sensors being displayed as well as a time. This will continue until the device turns from a flashing yellow to a slow green blink. The green light signifies that the device is warmed up and now ready for use. Once the device is warmed up and ready to go, it is recommended to perform a fresh air calibration before any air monitoring is performed. To perform a fresh air calibration, press the blue menu button 3 times consecutively. From there, a menu screen will pop up displaying different functions. Make sure that the fan symbol is selected and press OK. After pressing OK, wait a few seconds. The sensors will then begin to flash. Make sure that all 4 sensors are displaying OK. This signifies that all the sensors have been adequately fresh aired and are now ready to be verified. To verify, press the OK symbol. Make sure that the check mark is selected, press OK, and then wait to return back to the home screen. With that, the device is now ready to continue air monitoring. Now to turn off the device, hold both the OK and blue menu button down at the same time. Wait for the countdown to reach 1 and the audible alarm to occur.